Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a new Bitget account, verify it, and secure it properly. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Bitget website. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click Sign Up to begin creating your account. Bitget gives you two ways to register. You can sign up using your email address, or you can sign up with your phone number. If you choose email, enter your email and create a strong password. If you choose phone, select your country code, type in your number, and set your password. Make sure the password is secure. Mix uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for the best protection. After entering your details, Bitget will send you a verification code. Check your inbox or SMS, copy the code, and enter it on the website to confirm your registration. Once the code is accepted, your Bitget account is officially created. Before doing anything else, it's highly recommended to set up security features. The most important one is two-factor authentication to FA. You can enable Google Authenticator, which protects your logins and withdrawals, and you can also turn on SMS verification for an extra layer of security. These simple steps keep your account much safer from unauthorized access. Next, let's talk about KYC Know Your Customer verification. You can technically trade without it, but completing KYC unlocks extra features like higher withdrawal limits, fiat deposits, and overall better account access. To complete it, go to your account settings and open the verification section. Bitget will ask you to upload a government-issued ID. This can be a passport, driver's license, or national identity card. Then, you'll be asked to take a quick selfie so the system can match your face with your document. After you submit everything, Bitget will review your information. Approval usually arrives within a few hours, but sometimes it can take up to a day. And that's it. Your Bitget account is created, secured, and verified. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.